Merudandasana, or also known as wide leg boat. Merudanda is the spine, basically, the axis of the spine that lifts upright. Things to remember is you're looking straight ahead, so you maintain that straight back. The stomach is holding strongly to keep you lifted rather than dropping down again in posture. The legs you want straight. This is going to be a combination of both strength and flexibility. To maintain the posture, which is strength, flexibility is really of the lower half. Basically, it's a wide leg forward bend, but in an upright position. So look, I apologise in advance for that. Sorry. Merudanda is your spine, basically. Its nature is upwards, strong and upwards. So this is the same nature that we're trying to achieve in this posture. So we're going to have a look at techniques that encourage a straight back whilst lifting the legs. We will have prep poses first. So start off, just bring the soles of the feet together, bounce the knees down. Back is straight, and then release whenever you're ready. We're going to start off with the maintenance of a straight back, but losing stability of the feet. So let's say here we are sitting with the knees up. Our arms are going to close the knees into the chest. You're going to bring the feet further towards you here. Maintain that straight back. Inhale and just lift the feet off the floor. You see there? Keeping a straight back. Look straight ahead. Keep the stomach in rather than being inactive in the stomach, because you want to be able to close this area here, the stomach towards the thighs. Next, we're going to do the same thing, but we are going to lose the support of the hands now. So here you're maintaining an upright position and just bringing the knees in towards the chest and chill. This half is doing nothing other than keeping the shoulders away from the ears and maintaining Merudanda. So Danda actually means wand. Wand as in, it's also known as stick. Meru is the mountain. And it represents your spinal axis, basically, the north and south pole of your spinal axis. Once you're here, all you're going to do is extend the arms and just lift the legs and maintain that straight back again. It's all about height here and also close here. Toes, place the index finger between the big toe and clasp around the big toe. Then the thumb presses the base of the big toe. On your exhale, all you're going to do is press the heels outwards. So inhale, exhale, start to straighten the legs and press those heels up. Keep the head upright. Maintain that straight back. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. And breathe. Your back, if it's in the wrong position, is either going to pull you back in towards a plough position, or you're going to topple forward. I find a lot of people shaking this, and that's normally because they're on the lower back rather than on the sitting bones. So you want to be on the sitting bones, not here like this, and now I have to keep pushing and pulling myself to maintain balance. The placement of where you're sitting is important here. Keep breathing. Exhale, feet to the floor, and then from here, just bounce the knees down.